Math 1 EOC Practice Test number 18. The town of Cranor takes a census of its population every 4 years. The data are displayed in the table. What is the average yearly change in population in Cranor from 1996 to 2012? Okay, so from 96 to 2012, that's going to use our entire table. And it says, what is the average yearly change? So that's pretty much talking about slope. So what is the slope? So we're going to say slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, because we're using 96 to 2012, we're going to use the 2 points from 96 to 2012. So this would be our x, this would be our y, and again we're just plugging it into the slope formula. So we're going to do y2 minus y1. So y2 would be 29,640 minus 25,480. So that's my difference in y's. And then I have to do my difference in x's. So I'm going to do 2012 minus 1996. All right, when I simplify that, I simplify what's on top, 29,640 minus 25,480, and that gives me 4160. And then 2012 minus 1996 is 16 years. And then when I divide 4,160 by 16, I get 260. So the average rate of change from 96 to 2012 is 260. So your answer to number 18 is B.